Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. I have the new greeting farm release. I have some new drawings that I did, and this cute stamp from Picket Fence trickled in. So this is the leaf picture frame. It's now available in the shop. I'm having a design team call. I have all the information on my blog on the website, so check that out. And I'll have some more information on a separate video for the design team call. So let's start with this really cute one. This is called Oh Snap. Well, it's not called Oh Snap, it's called Holiday Anya 7, but the sentiment says Oh Snap. She's got this cute little knitted hat on, and then she's got the gingerbread cookie with a little bite out of it. Super, super cute. I restocked Miss Anya Hello Winter. Beautiful stamp set. So cute. Gotta play with that one. And then we've got the more the merrier. So we've got all these cute little critters. Look how cute. These two are drinking coffee. We got a fox carrying a candy cane. This fox is carrying a present. There's a little squirrel with his acorn. A wreath for the door. Little hedgehog ringing a bell. There's two little birds, another present, a bear with a pile of presents. The more the merrier. Peace, love, joy are the sentiments. Super, super fun. And then little elves. Look at all those cute little elves. And then we've got Santa's workshop and a little train. We've got some foliage, some little presents, some lights, a tree. Have a Merry Little Christmas is a sentiment. Isn't that cute? There's two dies. So we've got Merry Christmas and Santa Baby. Really, really nice dies. Great for a focal point on your card. And then, so here's a new one that I drew. This stamp here is from My Favorite Things. That is from the, let's see, what's it called? Friends at First Sip stamp set. This one. So I used that one. Really nice stamp set. So this is the image that I drew. Let me show you how it prints out. Okay, so it'll come with the sentiment, I love fall. And so you can print it out either 4 on a page or 6 on a page, depending on how big you want your image to be. So it's a little dog and a cat peeking out behind this large pumpkin, and then there's a little pumpkin spice frappuccino, a leaf, some cookies, and a little pumpkin spice muffin. So what do you guys think about the new drawing? I tried to redraw this one because I didn't like the eyes. Well, I like the eyes. The lines on his eyes were really thick and I thought it didn't match. So I wanted to do it again, but draw the eyes thinner, and I just kept messing up, and the drawings just don't look the same. And so on this one, I cheated and did some digital, just button eyes. And he came out totally different. So do you guys like the cartoony eyes or the little button eyes better? I'm gonna probably draw him again because I don't know. I guess I'm just too hard on myself. But this is how he prints out. He's very wiry. So when you color him in, you can color him in, like do little swirlies and make him look real curly. And then I did color this guy in again. So this is the pumpkin spice everything. That one's on the site. And I like coloring this image. And then we've got This one is not up yet because I don't know what to do with him. What do you guys think? I put this one up. Let me know if you guys think this one's cute. And this one, yeah, will come with the sentiment, I love fall. So that is my share for today, guys. Check out the blog post for the design team call. It'll be going on for 1 month. And I'm going to grab quite a few members for next year. All the details are on the blog. And I will catch you guys in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye, everyone.